How to change the default fonts in Word. Click the Home tab. On the ribbon, in the Fonts group, click the small dialog box launcher. In the Fonts pop-up menu, select your preferred fonts, for example, Times New Roman, and set the font size to 12. Scroll down to change the text color to red or your desired color. Click Set as Default button. When prompted with, do you want to set the default font to Times New Roman, the font size to 12 points, and the font color to dark red? For these documents only or all documents based on the normal ... templates. Choose these documents only to limit the changes to the current document. Note, selecting all documents applies the changes to every new document based on the normal ... templates. Click OK to apply changes. Now any text you type in this document will use the new default settings.
TechTricksGh, don't forget to share, like, subscribe and comment on our videos to give us a reason to do more.